Hedera, currently trading at 13 cents, guys, with a market cap of 2.8 billion. Its ticker is HBAR. Now, guys, you get this cryptocurrency on multiple platforms: Binance, Gate.io, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Binance.us, Bittrex, what else? KuCoin, Bitstamp, Bittrex, Bybit. There are multiple platforms. Most cryptocurrencies in the top 100. This ranked number 36. Can be found on multiple platforms. Let's see that price rating, guys. So on Symmetry, get a C+ as of October 2019, and a double B by Positive Outlook. So when it comes to rating, guys, this thing sits in the top, basically 90% of cryptocurrencies out there that it's done ratings for. So cryptocurrencies with ratings to me are typically a little bit better than the ones that don't, but it'll be case by case. But let's get to the website, guys. Hedera Smart Contracts 2.0. So it's 10 times faster than blockchain alternatives, carbon negative. Now, the carbon negative part, a lot of cryptocurrencies do burn up a lot of electricity, but I'm not here to go into that so much. But here's their website, so you guys can check out. They have, let's see, 3rd generation ledger. This compares the Bitcoin, Ethereum for transactions per second, average fee. So you guys are thinking about Hedera, even about investing, check out their website, learn more. Check out the Twitter page, guys. They're sitting with 230,000 followers, so you're going to find some of the upcoming news. Check out their posts. Let's see, they pinned that. Let's see, some upcoming news. This is about 7 hours ago, so check out some stuff they're posting, guys. But let's get to that price prediction.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
Guys, Hedera has been getting smashed. Just like most cryptocurrencies, it's sitting. This thing's sitting way below than its half point from its top, and it's sitting at this resistance level. So let's do a price prediction for this one. So this, to me, at this current level, guys, we're on the weekly, and I'll skip to the daily to make it a little bit easier. We are going to break this zone right here, this little low right here. I think we're gonna be heading down to this low first and this high. This zone right about here. That is about 50% less than we're currently at right now. So would I buy right now if I'm hodling? No. For me, guys, if I was gonna get into this cryptocurrency, I would wait, because I want to see where it would go here. If it hits this about 8 cents, guys, hits that 8 cent zone, that's a price prediction, guys, 8 cents. I want to see if it builds up some orders and starts building back up, and see if it keeps on building here, building some resistance, building up some orders. So if it went higher from here, then I can do a possible buy stop entry for this. But if it doesn't, I don't want to get stopped out and it heads down lower. It can be free falling down to this zone, which is 3 cents, which is basically 11 cents down from now. So my price prediction, guys, 8 cents. I'm gonna wait. I won't do a buy limit. I'm gonna see if it builds up orders right here, and then enter on a buy stop. Buy stop. So if it goes up higher, I can do another price prediction on that. But tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this cryptocurrency. Is it a good platform? Do you like the platform? Do you guys like when it comes to what's happening to the prices? Maybe you guys are shorting. But tell me your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Please head to my website, AndreMcClendon.com, guys. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, indicators, my mentor to 4 and 5, and on trading, just let me know. You guys can hit me up with a contact down here or on this chat bar. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.